Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker and start the drawing. Firstly we draw a cloud. Here we draw some small semicircle to draw the cloud perfectly. We draw very carefully. Next we draw the second cloud. Using same process. One by one we draw a small semicircle to draw the cloud. Next, it's time to draw rainbow. One by one we draw curved line. We draw some big curved line, like that. We start the curved drawing from first rainbow and finish it to second one. It's time to coloring. We use sky blue color to coloring the cloud. Rainbows are colorful arcs in the sky. They appear after it rains, when the sun shines. Raindrops act like tiny prisms. Sunlight passing through them splits into different colors. Blue color. The colors of a rainbow are always in the same order. That order is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can remember the colors with the name Roy G. Biv. Purple color. Blue color. Rainbows appear opposite the sun in the sky. They can be seen when the sun is behind you and it's raining in front of you. Yellow color. Sometimes you can see a double rainbow. A double rainbow has the colors reversed. Green color. Rainbows are a magical and beautiful sight. They make people happy and excited. Rainbows have inspired many stories and songs. They remind us that even after rain, there is beauty. Red color. Rainbows can also be seen near waterfalls or fountains. The colors of a rainbow are actually light waves. These waves have different lengths, which is why we see different colors. Rainbows are a great example of how light and water work together. Looking at a rainbow is a fun way to learn about science. Now our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.